Hi, welcome to TysConsciousKitchen. Today I'm showing how to make an alkaline electric banana cream pie. And the items I'm using are currently in Dr. SEBI'S nutritional guide, and they are boiled bananas, dates, dried coconut, agave, sea salt, cream of coconut, and hemp milk. So let's begin. First step, we're going to start making our crust. We're going to use dates. Make sure you check there's no pits in it. We'll add coconut flakes or chips, agave, and a pinch of sea salt. We're going to blend it until it forms into a ball. Now that my crust is done, it formed into a ball. Now we're going to take our spring form pan and we're going to line it with some parchment paper. So here's a little trick that I learned. You take a piece of parchment paper, you fold it into squares, then you fold it one more time. Then you come to the pan like halfway through and pretty much cut it in a circle. And open up, turn it over this way. There it is. Now we're going to take our crust, place it in there. Because it's a little sticky, I'm going to put a little bit of water on my fingertips and start pressing it down. Now that I've patted down my crust, I'm going to line the spring form pan with some sliced bananas. Now we're going to start with our pie filling. I'm going to take some ripe boiled bananas. You know that they're ripe because the skin is turning brown. I'm going to add some sea salt, some hemp milk, or use any other approved milks, agave for sweetness. You may want to add more agave if the bananas are not that sweet. So then we're going to add our cream coconut, and this is what I use. I get this from an international grocery store. I'm just going to use this here. And then we're going to blend it with a hand mixer until it's nice and smooth. Now that I've mixed the pie filling, now you may see lumps in yours, but it's fine. It's just the bits of banana. It depends on how ripe the bananas are when you put them in there. So then what we're going to do is give it a little shake to level it out. Then we're going to top it with some coconut chips or flakes. You can also add like walnuts or Brazil nuts if you like. Then we're going to cover it and we're going to put it in the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours. Now that the pie is set in the freezer, I'm about to cut it. You may want to let it thaw out a little bit if it's too frozen. This is like perfect. Nice. And there it is, Alkaline Electric Banana Cream Pie. You can find this delicious recipe in my Volume 3 cookbook. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.